7:25 a.m. May 31st, 2025. I've come from that staging area road down there through the cholla forest, and I'm just about to come out of the cholla forest. The trail heads uphill. There's a trail that'll go over there up that rock formation, but the trail I wish to take us here. Do not go past that unless you just want to explore. That's not the designated trail. Come this way and you'll see where that other trail led from up there. This is the official Dome Mountain Trail. We'll just follow it a short distance to show you how easy it is to follow. Once you know this is the trail. So we're going eastward, and we'll just keep going and going, and eventually you'll reach the other side of that hill that's in front of us. I won't go there today, but this is the trail. Very easy to follow if you find it. So I'm trying to help you find it by blocking off the unknown route.